Ang sarap ng strawberry.
Taas.
Ang sarap ng strawberry.
Alam nyo guys,
Ang
yung
galing na
Lux,
ng flavor kanina.
yung Lux Kid,
Ang sarap ng strawberry. Hindi ako makapag-focus sa binibenta ko kanina. Sabi ko, ang sarap ng strawberry.
gusto niya matikman yung strawberry. Alam nyo, hanggat di niya titikman yung strawberry, hindi niya titigilan talaga na manghingi ng ano, strawberry.
Tapos nakaka-bad trip kasi ayaw niya talagang, alam mo yung inom niya, kung nakita niyo lang kanina yung inom niya, sabi niya. Tapos, airport, ingit talaga siya, be.
Hindi pero masarap di ba yung strawberry?
Oh, masarap nga yung strawberry.
The best yun. Yung Lux, guys, alam nyo yung strawberry, yung Lux Kid na strawberry. Pang kid siya, pero masarap, pang matanda pwede rin.
Oo.
First time namin natikman yung strawberry.
Sarap yung strawberry.
Masarap pala.
Hey, Ellison. Ang ganda nito ni Madison Beer.
Maganda talaga yan. Madison na yan eh.
Si Madison Beer. Para siyang kamukha ni, ni Liza, na kamukha ni Megan Fox.
Na,
Na kamukha mo.
layo.
Kasi dinadagdagan mo pa yun nga lang eh.
Be, yung skin yan pang Latina.
Sige, be. Madison Beer na yun.
Morena skin yan eh.
Hmm?
Morena skin yan.
Medyo maganda kapag medyo no? Nagagandaan ka ba kapag medyo moreno yung skin?
Oo, yun yung ano ko. Basta yung skin niya, brown. Mas nakakaano yun eh. Mas nakaka-attract pag brown yung skin. Hindi ako maano sa white skin, guys. Though maganda rin naman yung white, nakakaano siya. Pero pag mga talagang mga brown skin, kayo manggi, yung mga ganyan.
Ganyan. Sorry sa mabra.
Pero alam mo ba, ang type ko talaga is kayo manggi.
Kayo manggi.
Kulay mismo ng Pilipino or Latina, ganyan.
Hindi kanina ko pa nilalaro tong kasi umaano yung brightness.
Alam nyo guys, dati, ito kwento ko sa'yo. Dati, sabi ko hindi ako, sabi ko, kung magkaka man ako, gusto ko foreigner. Dati,
Foreigner.
para sugar daddy. Joke lang. Wisip may balahibo pa ni Louie.
Actually, 3:12 na. Matulog na tayong maaga. Tulog tayong maaga. Masyado ng late.
Tutulog naman.
Tulog ng maaga kasi ano oras na eh. Ay! Ay, Duday, thank you po sa flowers. Hi, John Dale.
Hi, John Dale.
Trip niyo ako.
William. Ba't tahimik ka?
Hindi, nagbabasa lang ako ng mga comments.
Babasa ka?
Eh.
Camera action.
See you looking at my feet.
Hi, Clea. Thank you po. Uy, hindi ako na. Ba't maaasar?
Like camera action, baby. I see you looking at my feet. I see you know the danger, danger, to the danger by the feet. Zoom out, okay? Zoom in. Zoom out, okay? Zoom in. Zoom out, okay? When you watch it, I get out. I feel like I'm a close in my bag. If you look for cover, make it put it down. Why you like it when I'm sad or mad? I don't give a cause I'm a bear. This bitch, not a wish list. Contact your pick, Buddha Bougie, come up anywhere. Listen, funny, yeah, you're always talking money, but I always say that how they use a mommy, that get the mama for money, huh? Oh, we looking good in that lower, lower. Oh, see, I'm feeling what I got, I got it. Got to the head down to left. Get you in that, what is your left? So take it down now. I'm done now. In the up, more fast, what you call now? And I see a couple of hits and a couple of sweats. Pagin mo mga Like camera action, baby. I see you looking at my feet. I see you know the thing, about the people. I see. Zoom in, zoom out, okay. Zoom in, zoom out, okay. Zoom in, zoom out, okay. When you hot, see like it out. Oh my God. I see. Never met the shit.
Gusto ko yung Isaiah Monster. Yung biglang nag-switch sa Isaiah Monster. Ngumiti na siya. Oh.
Tulog ka na.
Matutulog na ako. Shoutout mo muna lahat ng team. Matutulog na ako. Shoutout mo muna lahat ng team.
Nasaan na yung bag ko? Tanggalin mo yung kamay mo dyan sa bibig mo.
Tarap mo na! Tagal ba, di? Isa mo na.
Ay kay Marlo, kay Clarice, kay Alvin, kay Joe Edit, kay Defender Lady, Alberis, Banji, Merdo Edits, Mary Peace, It's Middle, Zizi, Manager, Cha, Ate Mayo, Paraos, Brixie Warriors, Bertinas Benz, Team Editor, Team Brixian Official, Flirt, Nick Clover, Team White, Team Searcher of W, Dynamic.
Oo, lahat ng team na intindihan. Ang bilis. Magalan mo. Yung naririnig nila yung team nila.
Ano pa ngayon? Sunday.
Sunday nga.
Team OFW, Team Dynamic, Team Chismoso, Brixian Nurses, Alvaro, Team Tutoy, Team Loki Fam, Team Silent Viewers, Team Ante, TV Lab Team, Solid Bricks, Alan V, Team Haruro, Team Sip, Team Editor, Team OA, Locondi Baby, Spots Angels, Montes Editor, Brixie Siblings, Joms X07, Nicoverse MJ Cabrera, Editors, Sami, K. Briones, Timayogo, Editor Carl James, Honey Amazing Sabi Haven, Kimi, Editor Kiruitan, Carl Introvert, Director Atobi, Asmer Edits, Queen Padme, Abiburna, Tropa Premium L, Magandang Kasambahay, Joy Film, CJ Laughter, Vision Defender. Mika, Brian Mendoza, Darila, Britney, on IG, Daryl, Lizel, Team Beltap, Adobo Warriors, Iris LR, Team Suyuan, Team Raolo, Team Ayobo Babies, Team Negros, Team Rayo Loyals, Team Kining Pirihis, John Dale Rafus, Tony G. Brian, Chabi, Sanji, Ashiring Stroy, Babies, Team Ayobocado, Team Abocado, Team Babies, Viction Live, Click Lea, Team Restricted, Team Jackpot, Team Nicolas, Team Nicologians, Team YML, Team Mixel, Team Sai, Team Toxic Pat, Team Brickshan, Giri Brickshan, Team Solid Brickshan, Team Christian Stan, Brickshan Natix, Team Loki, Brixie Siblings, Team Chubby Chicks, Brickshan Hong Kong Era, Team Brickshan, Brixie Siblings, Brickshan Beast, Team Search, Brickshan Babies, Team Adobo, Team Dilaw, Team Bumbaya, Team OFW, Team Aliaw, Team Adobo Warriors, Team Kazo, Team Tap Tap, Team Love, Team Lapok, Team Pearly Shells, Team Benjan, Team Benis, Team Ben Connects, Team Ben Paris Version Siblings, Team Solid, Team Quadro, Team Private Property, Team Anemic, Team Replay, Team Pinkish, Team Agaray, Team Hyper, Team Laglag, Team Tap Tap, Team Ayobo, Team Amo, Team Bricks, Team Bopis, Tropa ni Bricks, Team Hyper, Team Bahay, Team Talibugan, Team Ben Minded, Team Shiny Siblings, Team Quadro, Team LDR, Team V, Team BC, Team C, Marquis, Chime, Shippers Unite, Eloise, Pepero, Sir J, Lat, Zio, Jessa, Action, B, Honey, Jen, Storage Pro, JD, DB, Desi, Gabriel Peren, Sky, John Mela, Jela, Engineer Deal, Christopher, Brickshan Replay, Yuki, Chow, Shafos, Gian, Sabi, Master Nate, Raymart, Ziviana, Brian, Christy, Ma'am Chabi, Justin, Aiko, Ellison, Cherry, Loki, Pam, Gabriel, Ismail, Yobi, Berna, Imbriana, Micaela, Kristen, Joy, Earl, Jong, Levi, Ace, Rachel, Mitch, Riza, Team Jen Chan, Ben Chan, Jen Rix, Jen Chan, Tropa ni Bricks, Nina Bricks, Brickshan by Bear, Iris LR, Titik ni Bricks, Team Panatag, Team Toys, Brickstan, Monomor Yuki, Bianca Montes, Yuki, Silent Editor, Honey Bea, Adi, Yobi, Asmer Ed, Sunny Pai, Arvin Ladlad, DJ, Alex, DJ, Bricks and someone, Cyrene. Thank you po.
Hi guys, shoutout sa inyo lahat. Thank you.
Thank you guys. Uy.
Bakit?
Tony G, may mo ko.
Sa iyong yakap at halik, sana may balik yan. Alaala natin,
Hi, Barry C. Thank you so much, guys.